Hi guys, I'm Vishal Parmar and you're watching my YouTube channel, The Greedy World, the place where our focus is on learning and to cultivate ourselves. Brother gifted me a book and forced me to be a member of a club. Club? Yes, club. The 5 a.m. Club. Own your morning, elevate your life by Robin Sharma. This book explains the importance of an early start and getting up at 5 a.m. The story is told as in fiction about an interesting billionaire mentor teaching a life lesson to a struggling artist and a female entrepreneur. They learn the importance of an early start and getting up at 5 a.m. and how to lead an ultimate success in their life. So, what do you do when you get back to your home after a lot of hard work? I believe totally tired, right? So, what you need is food and a bed. And on the next morning when an alarm bell rings, alarm बजते उठ जाते हो? नहीं, snooze, फिर थोड़ा और snooze, and then फिर थोड़ा और snooze, and by the time you get up it's already too late. So, well said by some great person. Victories are made on those early morning when everybody is sleeping, nobody is watching. Lesson number 1. If you want to be successful in your life, give your brain an advantage of getting up early morning. 5 a.m. Club has 5 basic rules. Rule number 1. An addiction to distraction is the end of creative production. This simply means no social media, no mobile gadget on the first hour of a day. Rule number 2. Excuses do not breed the moment of genius. It simply means don't be lazy. If you have not installed the habit of getting up early, that doesn't mean you can't start now. So stop making excuses. Rule number 3. If you want, every change is hard at first, messy at middle and gorgeous at the end. In simple terms, everything you start at first is hard, but practice makes everything easy. Rule number 4. To have the result of top 5% of producers, you have to stop acting like the 95% of people are doing. In simple words, what I mean by this is, don't be with those people who try to pull you down. Don't listen to them. They will think that you are crazy. They will talk behind you. Let them. Rule number 5. When you feel like surrender, continue, because that's the true time when a real growth starts. Determination is the key. Elite producer and everyday hero understand what you do each day far more matter what you do once in a while. Have you ever feel uneasy while doing something but man nahi maan raha? We are made up of 4 basic components: mind, heart, health and soul. Whenever we take care of all 4 of them, we feel more energetic and more happy. So lesson number 2 from this book: balance all 4 interior umpires. Mindset is a state of your mind which relates to the psychology, our thinking, positive or a negative. Our heart set is an emotional intelligence. To cultivate your healthy emotional life, you should express yourself and have a healthy emotional attachment. Our health set, it's our physical fitness, how we are physically fit. To lead a legacy, you need to be a physical fit. You need to be live long to lead that legacy. Our soul set, it's a spirituality, how we are connected to supreme power of ourselves. So, lesson number 3 from this book: 20-20-20 formula. Yes, follow 20-20-20 formula. On the first hour of a day, you have to do at least 3 activities of 20 minutes each. On a first 20 minutes, you have to do extensive exercise. मतलब पसीना ना चाहिए. So in this first 20 minutes, you can do pull-ups, push-ups, or go for jogging. Anything you want, whatever is suitable for you. Another 20 minutes, you have to reflect yourself. इस पे तुम मेडिटेशन कर सकते हो. डायरी राइटिंग इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू रिफ्लेक्ट योर सेल्फ. एंड लास्ट 20 मिनट यू हैव टू मतलब you have to gain the knowledge as much as you can. You have to stretch your knowledge, and you have to improve your skill in this 20 minutes basically. So in this 20 minutes you can explore as much as you can. Mining करो अपने particular field में that you want to be mastered at. So I would recommend this book to everyone, from a 15-year-old having a dream of successful and ambitious life to the 35-year-old professors who want to grow. So that's it guys from today's video. Hope you have liked and learned something, and if you do have learned something, so please comment me below, and yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And so till the next video, tata, bye bye, take care.